Welcome back. In the last video, you practiced your presentation skills by synthesizing data into evaluation findings and communicating those findings by creating slides to be shared with key stakeholders. In this video, we'll briefly review retrospectives and their value to a project team. Retrospectives are an example of quality control because they help teams adjust and improve processes as needed. Coming up, you'll learn from Peta as she facilitates a retrospective. You'll break down the conversations and extract the details you'll need to build into the retrospective document. Let's start with a refresher on retrospectives. A retrospective, sometimes referred to as a retro, is a workshop or meeting that gives project teams time to reflect on a project. A retrospective gives you a chance to discuss project successes and setbacks and to learn from mistakes. Though retrospectives often happen at the very end of a project, they are also a helpful process improvement tool that can and should be used throughout the project lifecycle, especially after reaching a project milestone. For example, right after implementing the tablets and testing them with beta users is a great time for a sauce and spoon retrospective. You could celebrate parts of the project that have gone well so far and identify opportunities for improvement as the project moves toward upcoming milestones. Retrospectives have lots of benefits. They encourage team building by providing team members with the opportunity to understand different perspectives within the team. They also facilitate improved collaboration on future projects. And they promote positive changes in future procedures and processes. Because a retrospective is a specific type of meeting, it's crucial to have an agenda to help guide the discussion, organize the meeting, and document learnings. As the project manager, you need to manage the tone of the conversation, make sure that every team member feels included, and identify details that'll be recorded in the retrospective document for future reference. In other words, it's your role to facilitate a respectful and productive retrospective discussion that recognizes successes and areas for improvement. Let's recap the main ideas. A retrospective is a workshop or meeting that gives project teams time to reflect on a project. Three main purposes of retrospectives are to encourage team building, facilitate improved collaboration, and promote positive changes. And remember, it's your role as project manager to facilitate a respectful and productive retrospective discussion that recognizes successes and areas for improvement. In this next activity, you'll practice preparing for a retrospective by creating a list that includes successes and areas for improvement. Once you're done with this video, you'll observe how Peta interacts with her team members as she conducts the retrospective and add information to your document. See you soon.